Hey, what's going on, guys? Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of ASMR. So, today we're doing a full body PPF job on a client's Tesla Model X. He got one of the very last ones before Tesla discontinued this vehicle, so he wants to bring it in for full body paint protection film so the vehicle is fully physically protected from the elements. That means scuffs, scratches, rock chips, swirl marks. We're going to take you behind the scenes today and show you how we do our installs up tight. We're going to show you what nuances go into a job like this. And so if you're considering a full body protection package, you can see where the experts spend time. I'll catch you guys on the flip side, but let's go ahead and get started. All right. Tint brush, dude. Secret ingredient.
even signed for Ben.
And there you guys have it. That is full body paint protection film on this 2026 Tesla Model X, last of its kind, the Plaid. If you're in the market for this service and you watch this full video, it gives you a good idea of what you can expect with the highest level install. A job like this is going to run somewhere around $7,000 plus or minus, depending on options as far as how much coverage you'd like, but most importantly, what type of film you have installed. Now, if you're getting quotes under like $1,000 less, the only way you're getting it cheaper is with cheaper film. And actually, one thing that's flooding the market right now is cheap Chinese film. One thing that we do here at Humble Crew Auto Spa is we never install cheap film. What you saw installed today is Ultrafit, a top tier brand out of South Korea that we love for its exceptional performance, its clarity, and its durability long term, so that you don't have yellowing film. The film can take damage, but it also looks pretty while doing all of that. If you want all three qualities in great paint protection film, a roll of Ultrafit costs me $1,200 as an installer to buy. If you're getting bids under $1,000 less than what I've charged here, it's usually because they're installing rolls of PPF that are about $400 to $600 from China. And if that's what you want in your car, so be it. But here at Humble Crew Auto Spa, we install it right. We install quality product and we do it great the first time. So if you want to get a job like this, the job's going to take me about a week, and now you've seen why we're going to do it this way. But if you can afford the wait, it is worth your time. It's Jesse at Home Decor Auto Spa, and I'll catch you on the next one.